Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ads are everywhere on our phones. You open a website, ads, check your email, ads, swipe down your notifications, ads. At some point, it stops being helpful and just becomes noise. In this video, I'll show you how to massively cut down ads on your phone by changing settings most people don't even know exist. I've covered this topic before, but this time I'm going deeper and revealing even more hidden options that quietly push ads to your device. All right, with that said, let's get started. Well, first, let's clean up your inbox, because a massive amount of ads come straight through email. Most of the time, you didn't even sign up for them. Websites quietly add you to mailing lists and just start spamming you. The good news is Gmail has a new feature that makes fixing this easy. Open Gmail, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, scroll down, and select Manage Subscriptions. You'll instantly see a list of senders that email you all the time. If a sender is nothing but promotions, tap the icon next to it and select Unsubscribe. That's it, no more emails from them. Every time you open or click one of those emails, you're feeding their marketing system more data about what grabs your attention. Do this once and your inbox goes from chaotic to clean in minutes. All right, this next step is super important, because a lot of the ads on your phone come from hidden system services that are just there to track you and push ads. You can't delete them, but you can shut them down. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down and tap More Privacy Settings, then find Ads. First, hit Reset Advertising ID and confirm. Then tap Delete Advertising ID. That clears all the data Google has collected about you for personalized ads. These background services don't help your phone run better. They're just there for ads and tracking. Resetting your ID is like cutting the cord on a major source of annoying ads on your phone. Now let's tackle those annoying website ads. I'm going to show you a network setting. You can change that blocks ads across almost every site you visit. Open Settings, go to Connections. Select Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon next to your connected network. Open Advanced or View More. Change IP settings to static. Then enter these DNS values as shown on the screen. These are AdGuard's DNS servers. They act like a filter, blocking ads from loading before they even reach your browser. Next, let's enable private DNS. Go back to Connections. More connection settings. Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider host name. Enter dns.adguard.com. Private DNS forces your phone to always use AdGuard's servers. It blocks ads and also makes your browsing more private by limiting trackers. Now, reload a website usually show you ads. You'll instantly notice way fewer ads. This works on almost every site you visit. Fix browser settings that allow ads. Your browser might actually be allowing ads without you realizing it. I'll show this in Chrome, but the settings are similar in other browsers as well. Open Chrome. Tap the three dots. Go to Settings. Select Site Settings. Check these sections carefully and find intrusive ads. Set it to blocked. Do the same for pop-ups and redirects by setting it to Don't Allow, then remove any websites that are sending you promotional alerts. This will stop pop-ups, redirects, and spam notifications completely. Ads aren't just annoying, they're powered by data. The fewer permissions and tracking options you allow, the less information companies can use to target you. A cleaner phone is also a more private one. And that's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.